Subliminal advertising. Subliminal advertising is a very interesting form of advertising. Commonly we study these in marketing, management and psychological concepts. The idea is that advertising is not an obvious advertising which is done, but it is somewhere hidden message which could be percolated to the audience. For example, this was one of the interesting research that was done in 1957 by James Vicaire. And here what happened was there was a movie that was being shown, and within the movie there was sudden messages like drink Coca-Cola, hungry, eat popcorn, and there was an increase in the sales surge which was somewhere around 18% for Coca-Cola and 57% for popcorn. Now this sale increase is an indicator of the fact that this experiment was a very good experiment to promote that feeling of advertisement within the customers, right? So we have four interesting examples here. Now the first one is Baskin Robbins. Now Baskin Robbins is a brand for ice cream chain. We could say that what makes it so unique is the logo, as you can see here, and in this logo is hidden from the B and R, you can see the letters are being colored with pink, and this shows 31. That indicates that this company offers 31 flavors of ice cream. Similarly, if we talk about the logo of Amazon, it is A to Z, and with this A to Z you can see a smiley sign here. Okay, and this indicates that whatever you would be asking for, it would be delivered with satisfaction. So it is a kind of subliminal advertisement with symbols, with ideas, with logos. Same as Tostitos. Now these are the companies that provide chips. Now between the two T, you can see a chip with a bowl of salsa, and this indicates that yes, this is one of the interesting brands of chips that you can go for. Similarly, FedEx, the two in different color, and this no space here actually suggests there is a perfect speed in the product, and this could be delivered with very precision, and this is an express that could be delivered, right? So there are various ways under which subliminal advertisement actually bypass our subconsciousness. Why? Because we are prone to get attentive to those hidden images, hidden words, and this bypasses anything that consciously appear to your screen and helps your brain register those cues, those processes that you would be involved more into it, and finally nudge you to a fact that you would be inclined towards that product. So it is important to understand that this is a technique to persuade consumers or customers to get attracted to a product. It could be in various ways, as we saw in the kind of logos that we have seen. It could be a color combination, it could be a storytelling phenomena, it could be a kind of proof of concept, but all of these are the ways through which the product is being brought to the consumer in the subconscious level, and when they consciously see that product, that they realize, okay, I have a familiarity to this and this is what I should go for. So this is what is called as subliminal advertisement. Very important aspect for students from management, marketing and psychology. We'll be covering another important topics. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. Thanks for joining in.